Hi, I'm Ty Spires with Emory and Henry College. With football season quickly approaching and the way that we're selling tickets this year changing just a little bit, we figured we'd give you a tutorial video on how to access your tickets for the upcoming games. So first, you're going to get an email from support@ticketspicket.com to the email that you provided to us. Make sure you check your spam folder as it might go there. Once you open the email, you'll need to set up a profile with TicketSpicket by hitting the Register on TicketSpicket button. If you use TicketSpicket in the spring, you'll just need to log into your previous account. You'll need to put in your email address, first and last name, and create a password. Once you've created your account, you'll then type in Emory and Henry College into the search bar and then click on Emory and Henry College in the drop-down menu. At the top of the screen, there is a menu bar where you can select My Passes. Once selected, all the events that you have tickets for will be shown. Once you choose an event that you'd like to go to, click the View Options button and then Use My Access Pass. Next, click Claim All Tickets and then Yes. You can now go to My Tickets and view or print your tickets for each game. Thank you so much for your patience during this transition. We know that it's all going to be a little different this year, but in the long run, we think that this will benefit not only us as the college, but you, our fans. Again, thank you so much. We can't wait to see you on Saturday afternoons at Fred Self Stadium.